what is the industrial automation, why do we need it, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of industrial automation. So as you know, automation is delegation of human control function to technical equipment. Like you want to perform a human functionality, human work from technical equipment, from computers like programming controllers. So that is what we call industrial automation. And why do we need it? What is the purpose of going through this process of industrial automation, assigning the human control to the technical equipment? Because we have certain purposes. We want fast processes, we want to minimize the errors, we want to minimize the labor cost, and everything should be under check. The maintenance could be very easy. So that's the reason we move from manual control to automation. So that would be there are some components of automation of which these are inputs, controllers, junction box, which sometimes called converters, and output. So talking about inputs, there may be more, but some examples are here. The switches, sensors. Switches may have a toggle button, push buttons. Sensor may have level, flow sensor, pressure, temperature switches, detectors like fire and gas detectors. Then there are controllers. Some of them are PLC, programmable logic controller, RTU, remote terminal unit, DCS, distributed control system, VFD, variable frequency drives, CNC, computer numeric controller. So these are a few examples of controller. There might be more than that, but these are just a few examples for learning. Then there might lie another part in this automation controller, like we have seen, from input to controller to the output. There is another part which might necessary, which might not, the junction box. The junction box may be like the connecting box. We are calling that the connecting box. The relay, it could be the contractor, it could be the analog ADC, analog to digital converter, it could be DAC, digital to analog converter, or it could be inverter. So, and then the final output could be alarms, hooters, horns, LED, pumps, valves, fans, and blowers.